And we are back. Here we go. Got Mr. Richard back. Freaking yeah. I always got him working on Evos, so we got it up on the frame machine. But we're gonna give this bad boy a pull. The tool today is this. We're gonna give it a bam, 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 bam. That's the goal. That's what we're gonna do. We are working. 6:32 after hours. Let's do this. All right, all set up on the machine. Let's see what happens. Let's get close. Hold on. Go for it. Yep, do your thing. Here, Clint. This the best tool. It is. Look at that. Grab the mic. Let me drive this. I hope you guys are seeing that. That thing is stretching. I thought I was gonna have to go inside the trunk. Let's get a closer shot. Look at that. Stretching. What? Oops. You guys don't know what area? Right there. Look at that. Wow. That is close. Wow. Wow. All we gotta do is get out here. Wow. I'm impressed. $13? Yeah. Nice. It was 11 and a half. We got an inch and a half out of it. That's what she said. Wow, dude. All right, so what are we doing, Richard? We're welding the tab to pull it out. To pull, okay, because we feel like the dog leg's gonna stretch, so it's weld time. Where's your weld glasses? No, don't need it. We're gonna do the old school way. We're gonna push the trigger and we're gonna blink. We're back. All right, let's go. So let's pull that bad boy, right? I guess that's good right there. Ha! Typing. Nice. Woo! Nice. You got shot. I got shot. You're good. Full time. All right, so we want to see this. So, without breaking. All right. All right, okay. All right, we are welding a little bit lower down. We are professionals, okay? Check this out. We're only pulling next to a wide body candy apple Corvette. That's cool. Oh, nice. Oh, the money maker. You meant to do that. Let's go from over here. All right, so Richard has a theory as we measure the door, and this door is a little short. So it has to, we're gonna try. We've never done this in our life. Mr. Richard is gonna give it a pull. Let me get close. How are we gonna capture this? Yeah, this thing slips, it's hitting the camera. Let's go. Go for it. Let's go. Alright, so we've got most of our lines, but we are getting the bottom set for the rocker. Just gotta pull it out. Ooh. Right. All right, hello world. So this is the update. Took her off the clamps. She's sitting on her own, and we give her a nice pull on the dog leg because I remember it was all messed up. So this, I don't have any accidents, but not bad. It pulled pretty good. So this would be a dry pull before you change the quarter. But I'm not going to change the quarter. My lines are good here, and they're good down here. It's just over here is a little more gapped. I'm not going to hide anything from you guys. I want you to see everything I see. So this is good. This came back out really nice. We put the retainer on, put the bumper, and the bumper fit really tight. So that's good. I got the lock on, so it won't lock. So that's why it's gapped out over there. But tomorrow I'm going to put it together. It's a little late. I want to go home. And yeah, and then just work on this slowly. So next, let me tell you what we got to do to close this gap, because that's what you want. That is not what you want. So we have to put a little bit of fiberglass. We're going to have to fiberglass this whole piece and then make a good cut. And once that's fiberglass, then we have to do a little bit of Bondo work, prime the door, and prime the door jambs. And I'm going to get this car ready to I'm gonna repaint the whole vehicle. I'm gonna do it the same color. I'm keeping it all factory. I want to try to keep this as factory as possible. And yeah, I could go ahead and change the quarter panel, but it's a waste because right now we got our factory Our factory weld holes look nice. This is good for resale. There's nothing really wrong inside the door jamb, just over here, but I'm gonna, because of this, I have to bring the paint all the way in. I might end up just even painting the whole car and the door jambs and on both sides, just to make it come seamless. So that's what's probably gonna do. I'm gonna go through it. Hopefully, I was supposed to take out the door panel. I was feeling lazy. Then we started welding, and it happened so fast. But it doesn't look like anything got burnt, and everything else was stripped down. I don't care about that seat. I don't care about that seat. I'm gonna get some Recaros and put it in here. But yeah, that's it. All right, so let me just show you why I don't want to change the quarter or anything. Like, look at this. Ready? We're gonna do primary shut. Look at that. In like 10 seconds. Dude, that is hard. You don't have to slam it or nothing like that. So let's do a little girl push. Look at that. Man! That's nice. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna body work the door, body work the quarter. The rocker's fitting good, bumper's fitting good, taillight's fitting good. So tomorrow we're gonna mess with the fender. I got a brand new fender. I don't think it's too messed up. Let's see. Got to mess with the radiator support, hood, and then yeah, that's it. So that's the update. We still got more to do to this. So that's how she's looking. But looking good though. That's a win for tonight. It is 9:48 on a Thursday night. So time to go home. Just wanted to show you guys that. Take care of yourselves.